Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are diving into the power of styles in MS Word. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to use styles to create professional and consistent documents effortlessly. Ready to master styles? Let's get started. Section 1, Introduction to Styles. What are styles? Styles are a powerful feature in MS Word that can save you a lot of time and ensure your document looks professional and consistent. Styles are predefined combinations of font attributes and paragraph formatting and other settings. You can apply a style to text to instantly change its appearance. Section number 2, Applying a style. How to apply styles. Let's start by applying a style to some text. First, select the text you want to format. Then go to the Home tab on the ribbon. In the Style group, you will see a variety of styles to choose from. Simply click on a title style. As you can see, the title style has instantly changed the look of our text. Section 3, Modifying a style. How to modify styles? What if you want to customize a style? No problem. You can modify any style to fit your needs. To modify a style, right click on the style in the Styles group and select Modify. In the Modify style dialog box, you can change font size, color alignment, and more. Let's change the font to Arial and the color to blue. Click OK to apply the changes. Now every piece of text using the title style has been updated to reflect the new formatting. Section 4, Creating a new style. Create new style from scratch. Sometimes you might need a custom style that is not available in the default styles. Let's create a new style from scratch. Select the text you want to base your new style on. Then go to the Styles group. Click the More button and choose Create a Style. Give your new style a name. Applying style. Modify to customize it. You can adjust all the formatting options here. Once you are done, click OK to save your new style. Section 5, Using the Styles pane. What is Style pane? The Style pane is a handy tool for managing styles in your document. To open it, go to the Styles group and click the small arrow in the bottom right corner. The Style pane shows all the styles available in your document and allows you to apply, modify, and manage them easily. You can click on any style in the pane to apply it to the selected text, or right click to modify or delete the style. First modify the style. Click on OK. If you want to delete the style, then click on Delete Applying Style. Click on Yes. Now the style is deleted. Section 6, Navigating with Styles. Navigating your document. One of the great benefits of using styles is that they make navigating your document much easier. By using heading styles, you can create a structured outline. Go to the View tab and check Navigation pane. The pane will appear on the left, showing all the headings in your document. Click on any heading to jump to that section. This is especially useful in long documents. And that's it for today's lecture on working with styles in MS Word. Remember, styles are your best friend for creating consistent and professional documents quickly and easily. Practice these skills to take your document formatting to the next level. Thanks for watching Shine a Star and Sparkling Mind. And keep shining brightly in everything you do.